This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Summer Classics over here at Eastwood Tools in Pottstown, checking out the 66 Corvair with the engine in the back. Front. Back. You figure it out. Nice little 350.
Look at that gremlin.
2 4-barrels, hydraulic clutch, manual brakes. Oh, this thing is cool. Front disc, that's nice. I like all the Stinger plates you put on there as a tribute to Yanko. No, it was not cut up as a Yanko. That is nice. And it's a proper 3-pedal. You can see the transmission hump going through the drivetrain. The side pipes coming out. The side, Oh, look at that meat on the rear, yeah. And then, of course, the Yanko Stinger tail. That is cool.
I thought they were.
Now, you said that you built this 40 years ago.
46 years ago.
Who's counting? 40, 46.
It's been a V8 for 46 years.
Wow. That's amazing.
It's gone through 2 wives, and I still have the car.
Very good. Congratulations.
I thought so too.
Yeah, you must have had a good lawyer. That is great. Now, what inspired you to build it, and how did you put the V8 into it?
I had saw in a magazine where you could buy a kit to put a V8 in the back seat.
Yeah.
And make it a mid-engine car, and that's the way I built it back in 1975 when I bought it. And I
that's
had it that way
using a Torino,
until
right?
What's that?
That was using a Torino transaxle?
No, it was still using a Corvair transaxle in the car, yes.
Wow.
Yeah, I put a 327 in it, had it in the back seat. And then in around 1989, 1990, I got the idea that maybe the motor should go up front because it's not really practical to drive.
Uh-huh.
So I put the motor up front and it's not going anywhere else. But probably the only Corvair that ever had a motor in 3 places.
That's great. Excuse me, 3 places?
Yeah, well, being the original engine was in the back, the one in the middle, and the one up front.
Well, it migrates. You.
Yeah, it went back to where it was supposed to nest in the first place.
Yeah, evolution. We understand that. That's great.
When I had a mid-engine, I used to keep a case of beer and a cooler in the trunk in the front of the car shows, but now you can't drink at the shows, so we put a motor there.
There you go. I like that. Now, did you put a subframe up front, I presume?
No, that's still running Corvair front end. I only changed the coil springs.
You're kidding.
Yeah, they're 89 up Saab rear coil springs that almost drop right in.
Oh my gosh, that's fantastic.
It's actually quite simple to build. Almost everything in the car is bolted in.
Jeez.
Very little welding done.
That's amazing. What about locating the diff? Or you're still running
I don't run the Corvair differential anymore. It's a 70 Camaro rear that I narrowed myself down 10 inches.
Okay.
So I could put the big wheels and tires on, and we just made those. Me and my son just made those wheels and tires from old Pontiac wheels.
Really?
Just a couple months ago.
Wow. Good job. Great job.
Everybody can put aluminum wheels on, but not everybody wants to build their own steel wheels.
Yeah. Well, it robs a lot of the power. You don't have enough power with this.
Yes,
sure.
I guess.
Power to weight is insane.
What's it?
What's the most fun you've had with her, which you could say on video?
The most fun I've had with the car. That's a tough question, actually. I have a good time every time I get in it.
Uh-huh.
And what's really been good about the car, and all those years that I drove it, it only let me sit once.
That's great.
So I guess what I did right, I did it right the first time.
Excellent.
But to single out any one thing where I had an exceptional time, it's like I have a good time. I've hot rodded once in a while, but I don't race anybody.
Yeah.
I don't want to walk home. I want to see if I can break the car. I want to drive it to the car shows.
Yeah. I saw a perfect sticker. Remember, you have to drive this thing home.
Yes.
That's a big thing. That is great. What's your name, by the way?
Keith Weller.
Keith, a pleasure. I'm Pam from Northeast Wheels Events.
Okay,
this was great. Thanks for coming out. Really appreciate it. This is fun.
Where can I see what we just did?
On NortheastWheelsEvents.com, your online calendar of events.
That'll be on what, soon, huh?
Yeah, give it about a week, something like that. I'm always behind on getting videos up there. I got to edit out all the dirty words.
30-year-old son in. and my cousin and that who's helped me build the car, and my other cousin who painted the car for me. And you know, I did all the mechanicals, but I had some help.
They have to see it too.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
and now that you mentioned them, it's a good thing, so they're not going to, you know, be really annoyed next time you have a project.
That's true.
Yeah, treat them nice. They did a good job.
Yes. Yes.
So, Keith looks wonderful.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
Oh, pleasure, Keith. Thanks.
Thank you.
Oh, no, thank you. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Summer Classics over here at Eastwood Tool Company in Pottstown, PA. Check out Keith's actually 46-year-old Corvair. In this case, the V8 migrated to the front. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. And if you like this video, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.